Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of Google Gemini AI and how it can supercharge your article writing. So I will walk you through the entire process step by step using a real world example. So grab your metaphorical pens and notebooks because we are about to craft an awesome article together. Alright, let's get started. Today, we'll write an article about the 5 best hiking backpacks for budget conscious adventurers. Here's how Gemini can help us create a killer piece. So open Gemini. In the prompt box, type hiking backpacks keywords. Now click on the submit button and you might see some keywords like ultralight backpacks, budget-friendly hiking gear, and the best hiking backpack for beginners. So this gives us a treasure trove of potential angles for our article. Let's ask Gemini to generate titles based on the chosen topic. So go to the search bar, type in generate titles based on the topic best hiking backpack for beginners. Now I will click on submit. As you can see, it has generated some titles like intriguing titles, informative titles, benefit driven titles, and a bonus title. You can choose any one of these titles. So we'll choose the title that says hit the trails without breaking the bank, top 5 budget hiking backpacks. Knowing our focus, let's create an outline in the prompt. Here's an example prompt. It goes like this. Outline an article titled hit the trails without breaking the bank, top 5 budget hiking backpacks. Now hit enter. So we have all these sections: the introduction, body paragraphs, top 5 budget backpacks, and the conclusion. Now what I'm going to do is enter this prompt here. So here what I've done is added some instruction for Gemini to structure my article. I've written briefly explain the importance of choosing the right backpack for hiking, mentioning budget-friendly options, and much more. I've also added the instruction for Gemini to briefly summarize the importance of budget-friendly backpacks and encourage readers to explore the outdoors. So here what you're going to do is choose some topics from these and structure them into the prompt that I've shown. And this will give out this result. So we have conclusion, choosing the right backpack theme, top 5 budget hiking backpacks, and introduction. Copy this, navigate to WordPad, and paste this. Now in the WordPad, you can remove the unwanted elements, restructure it according to your preference, and finally, when the entire draft is complete, you can paste this into the prompt and ask Gemini to proofread for errors. This helps catch any typos or grammatical mistakes. And by following these instructions, you can write an article using Google Gemini. So that's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.